What's up? It's Joe with OCDetailing, and behind me I have a retro olive green Cybertruck. If you've got a sharp eye and you pay attention, you probably notice something a little bit different about this one. So this one actually has stainless steel caps on top of what normally would be plastic here. It looks really cool, it's super durable, and typically from Tesla you could install something like this to protect this plastic piece. And as you can see, that doesn't look great. That's actually the piece that Tesla sells. These stainless steel caps look awesome, and it'll protect this tailgate from, like, say a big dog, which we have, that jumps in and out of our Cybertruck and scratches that plastic piece all up. Also, it gives you this really cool aesthetic where it takes away from some of the plastic and you end up with these pieces that are totally stainless, or in this case, wrapped retro olive green. This customer asked us to body match them for him because we were wrapping his truck, but they also are available just as stainless steel. So along with wrapping these pieces with retro olive green, we ceramic coated them, so this whole car's got D-Quartz Professional on it. That's the latest and greatest coating from CarPro, which is D-Quartz, so it's like diamond infused, super durable. It's gonna make this thing super easy to wash and look great for years to come. And then I just wanna emphasize again, these super cool pieces. Now, I have a question for the world of YouTube land, Instagram, whoever's watching this. How do you feel about these pieces? Do you think it's awesome, or do you think it's a eh? I personally love the way it looks. I actually, kind of weird because I'm in the business of wrapping, but I like the way it looked on stainless better than I did after it's been wrapped. Like this right here, maybe it's because it's this darker color, it just kind of blends in. But as stainless, this was so dramatic, it looks so cool to me. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OCDetailing. Please subscribe for more videos.